LMW is synonymous with the engineering industry in Coimbatore and all over India. As our hometown, we developed the entire ecosystem of engineering companies in Coimbatore when we started our textile machinery division in 1962, and subsequently in 1988 we started the machine tool division in a big way. So that way we are identified as one of the very key industries in LMW in India, in Coimbatore, and we are supporting the Coimbatore ecosystem in a big way. And today we are very happy to be a part of INTEC, because in Coimbatore, in this particular exhibition, we are introducing the key products like horizontal machining center JH400 is with a very high speed tool changing mechanism, supporting the general engineering industry and also pumps and valves and automobiles and also aerospace in a very big way. So it has got a very great market acceptance, and with the kind of products which are required for the OEMs and for the export, this is one machine which is absolutely essential and well appreciated and required for the industry here. Similarly, when we talk about LTV 30, the vertical lathe, which is very critical for the pumps and valve industry, wherever the components, the large components are there, it is required for stability and making it a very robust machine.